They don't have muscles from their heads to their toes. They're not gladiators, that's easy to see. In fact, it's amazing. They are just like you and me. God's people aren't super brave superheroes. They don't have muscles from their heads to their toes. They're not gladiators, that's easy to see. In fact, it's amazing. They are just like you and me. Sometimes scared, shaking and shivering. But let's realize we've got God on our side, and He can do absolutely anything. God's people are super brave superheroes. They don't have muscles from their heads to their toes. They're not gladiators, that's easy to see. In fact, it's amazing. They're just like you and me. God's people aren't super brave superheroes. They don't have muscles from their heads to their toes. They're not gladiators, that's easy to see.